Okay, awesome. Once you are done, once we have read Eric Carle's The Tiny Seed, we are going to do this assignment. It's an assignment about retelling. So you're gonna tell me the story again by telling me what happens in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Okay, I want you to draw what happened in the beginning, then add two or three labels. So you're gonna put 2 or 3 labels of what happened in the beginning. Then you're gonna also draw what happened in the middle and put 3 labels, and then what happened in the end and put 3 labels. Okay, and then in these lines down here, you're going to write a sentence about what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end. Remember that a sentence has a capital letter in the beginning, the rest are lowercase. There are spaces in between each word, and in the end we end with a question mark, or it could be a period, or it could also be an exclamation mark, depending on what type of sentence it is. But usually we end with a period. Good job. So you are going to write a sentence for what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end. Okay, once you are done, take it to my table so I can check it. Thank you.